come in and just sit here for a while. This is my way of telling you I need you in my life. It's so cold without your touch. I've been dreaming way too much. Can we just turn this into reality?
1, 2, 3! Happy Teacher's Day, Makilo!
Me from this crazy world we live in, and I know we could happen, 'cause you know that I've been feeling you. Storms, they will come, but I know that the sun will shine again. He's my friend, and he says that we belong together, and I'll sing a song to
Di alam ni Miss Robbie, basura lang yung akin na.
suffice. It's not me being nice, girl, this is real tonight, 'cause I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe you could save me from this crazy world we live in, and I know we could happen, 'cause you know that I've been feeling you. I know you want me. There's no other love that I'd rather have. No, there ain't no one else.
Di ko namalayan ang Teacher's Day ko dala. Lahat ng pagod nila para sa aking mga pangarap kailangan. Mga pangarap kailangan natin sa mga kulay sa kanila na magkaroon ng pagkain para sa bigyan ng sana. Ang tulang ito ay para sa mga guro na walang tigil na nagtuturo.
Okay, first of all, of course, thank you so much, Prof. Josh, for this effort. Ang dami yung kasabog. Hindi ko rin in-expect yung mga ginawa niyo. Aalamin ko yun, kung galing yun. Anyway, kahit naman wala ko mga to, ano na ako, solve na ako sa yung first day pala. Kasi yung galing nyo, yung pagiging responsable nyo, at pagiging kayo, dun okay na ako. Kasi hindi kayo sakit sa ulo eh. Hindi kayo, itong batch na to, wala akong naramdaman na kailangan lagi tayo, nag-aaw sa DO, sa guidance, walang ganun eh. Kasi kayo pala, dito pala, kaya na iso. So yung meron sa inyo, yung unity na meron sa inyo, yung galing ng bawat isa, yung sakripisyo nyo for your classmates, doon pa lang solve ako. Napaka-bless ko kasi ito yung section na punta sa akin. Oo. Sakto na. Dati niliin ko na sa yung mga estudyante ko, yung advisory ko, magaling lahat, marami ako honors, ganun. Alam ko kasi masaya ko ganun. Pero ako pressure pala, kasi lahat kayo, ang dami yung grade conscious. Lahat kayo, kailangan magtaas yung grades. May part pa lang mahirap din. A memorable one, unforgettable one, hindi bilang senior high lang kayo, kundi tayo as one section na ako yung advisor niyo. Sana magkaroon pa kayo mas malaking part sa life ko at ako din sa inyo. So again, thank you so much for celebrating this day. Teacher's Day, isa to sa naman. Hindi ko malilimutan Teacher's Day. Ikaw naman na yan kasi every Teacher's Day. At dito, actually, to be honest, bago mo sa TikTok, sabi ko, ito yung gusto mong gawin ng mga bata sa gusto ko yung mga ilalagay niyo dito. Kundi gusto ko ma-experience na ano ba yung makikita ko. Yung lahat kayo magbibigay dito kung ano yung kaya ninyo.
Kuling taon po namin dito sa youth. Kahit ilang taon po namin dito, pero nakita na namin yung pagiging sa senior high school. Sa tulong niyo po sa pag-aan po. We are so thankful sa inyo kasi kayo po yung naging teacher namin. Hindi po yung iba na teacher. Kasi kapag hindi po kami alam kung ano yan sa kayo po yung teacher namin. Kaya kami po magbibigay po kami ng mensahe. Ang basta sila isa-isa po kami magbibigay ng mensahe. 2, 3, 4, 5. I love you. Ay, gusto ko lang sabihin kay Robby.
Matatalino kami. Ano po, Happy Teacher's Day. Hindi lang sa teacher namin kundi sa mga Mami Rob. Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am. Salamat po sa lahat. And God bless. Thank you.
But I love you so much, ma'am.
Contention. Pili ka namin. Isa pa magsasalita. 1.
The Teacher's Day, ma'am. Salamat po sa pag-aalaga sa amin.
Uy, ma!
Ayaw mo na. Pili ka pa na. Ayaw mo na. Marami na sabihin ni Sarah.
Yes!
Happy Teacher's Day, Mami Rob. Yun lang. Si Cheska parang ganun. Si Cheska lang sa service. Si Cheska Thank you lang sa pagkikinig sa mga rants ng officers, especially lalo na pag nagre-reklamo kami about sa certain subjects. Pinapakinggan mo kami and you don't take it in a bad way na we're attacking the teacher or the subject itself. Thank you lang for helping us voice out our concerns. Weakness ko to kasi nag-traffic sa lahat ng mga advisors na experience ko and basta po na teacher someday. Ikaw yung parang polar opposite ng aking personality which is kind of blue and ikaw, you're symbolizes the color of the love, yung favorite color mo which is yellow and it symbolizes happiness sa akin. And never kita nakitaan never kita nakitaan na parang may negative na emotion. Parang ito nakangipay na.
Ganda. Senior mo ito. May ganda. Para sa inyo.
Please come in and just sit here for a while. This is my way of telling you I need you in my life. It's so cold without your touch. I've been dreaming way too much. Turn this into reality, 'cause I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe you could save me from this crazy world we live in. I know we could happen, 'cause you know that I've been feeling you.
They won't come.
And I know
But the sun is shining in. He's my friend. And this is we will go together. And I'll sing a song. Friendly eyes. There's a smile from you would survive. It's not me. It's not me. Well, this is real. Well, this is real. And I can have it.
thinking about you lately.
Maybe you can save me from
thinking about you lately.
Maybe you could stay from this crazy world
Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day, Antugon. Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day. Isa pa. Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day. Mabuhay ka, mabuhay ka, mabuhay ka, Miss Robby. Mabuhay ka, mabuhay ka, mabuhay ka, Miss Robby. 1, 2, 3. Maligayang araw ng gurong, Miss Robby. Yes! Amen!
Turn sa first question. Ang daming teachers may kanya-kanya silang signature drinks. So, let's ask, coffee or tea? Coffee. Bakit pala to? Okay, if you were given the chance to have a coffee time with someone in this class, who would it be and why? Ulit. May copy. If you were given the chance to have a coffee time with someone in this class, who would it be and why? In this class? Yeah. Okay. Kay Kim. Kim na maraming letters. Yes, maraming letters. Sige, Andrea. Partner, baka gusto mo tulungan.
Okay. Kasi very curious on Jowash, since sabi mo nga, kumbaga kami nakabuo na kami ng family, then you just came in. The question is, what is your actual first impression to Jowash and how so?
Okay. First impression ko sa Jowash, serious. Serious. Unang encounter ko kasi sa inyo nung unang araw. Pero di ko pa alam na mga ganun kayo na. Di ko pa alam. Hindi kayo tumatawa. Kahit tumatawa na ako. Kahit joke ako, walang lagay sa inyo. Walang magbibigyan. Ayan.
Sa next question. Ito medyo shady. So, number 1 pet peeve niyo po sa co-teachers niyo. May
Nakalagay din. Ipapost sa YouTube, ma'am.
Sa co-teacher ko, pet peeve. Oh my God. Kasi...
Nag-bet na.
Depende ko. Pwede ko siguro, Sino, ma'am?
Sino ba? Or
Pwedeng both. Both na lang.
Action.
Both na lang. Kasi pag gusto niyo, ma'am, both na lang.
Hindi, kasi ako organized kasi ang tao. So, ayoko ng mga co-teachers na mas magaling pa sa akin na marunong pa sa kung paano ako mag-work or mag-teacher. Mag-teacher.
Kilala tayong ganyan.
Hello. Ayun.
Ayan. Ito, Miss Robby, what's one trait from Jowash that you like?
Yung pagiging responsible ninyo. Yung kahit wala kayong advisor, you can handle everything na kayo lang. Yon, ang pinaka gusto ko talaga.
Okay. Ito, Miss Robby, how do you handle
Sudden challenges. Tumatahimik muna ako. As in, ako muna, nag-iisip muna ako anong gagawin ko. And then I pray silently. Then pahinga muna hanggang sa makaisip ako ng solusyon. Yes, yun na. Alright.
What's your best definition of a happy section?
Happy section, yung lahat ini-enjoy lang. Kahit, lahat ini-enjoy lang. Bumabagsak sa research. Kapag sa research. Pagdating nila teacher. Happy lang.
Shoutout mo, sino ba? Shoutout, Miss Joanne. Nagre-review po ako.
Matapos sila ang senior high
Tama
nila
yan.
na walang pagsisisi na ang pinaka-treasure nila yung bawat isa at yung memory sila as senior high.
Palakpakan!
Yes!
Boto niyo ako sa naalala. Okay, next.
This time naman, we just want to know, for you, what's the best time for big celebration?
Best time for big celebrations.
Then sensation.
Best time. Walang best time at that celebration. Any time pwede tayong mag-celebrate. So, huwag na natin hintayin pa na may kailangan i-celebrate to have that kind of celebration. Anytime, kung kaya natin ngayon na. Right?
Tara. Ito na. Okay, ito. Dudugtungan lang. Dudugtungan lang. Explain mo muna in just 3 words your love life right now.
At 3 words. Confidential. Unexpected. Yun. The unexpected. Wait lang. Unexpected answered prayer. Unexpected answered prayer.
Dudugtungan ko siya once we stop. Okay? Sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3. I am.
Robbie Balukat.
And I am.
Blessed. Ayun na. Thank you. Tonight with Joa. Thank you, mga dear.
I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe you could save me from this crazy world we live in. And I know we could happen, 'cause you know that I've been feeling you. I know you want me, I've been thinking about you lately. And maybe you could save me from this crazy world we live in. And I know we could happen, 'cause you
Lupet. Ayos to.